This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pat Wiss. Designer decorated. Must see to believe. Everything is new. Completely restored, and has a fantastic water setting. The custom kitchen was created to be a chef's dream, with everything you need at your fingertips. There is a lazy Susan in the corner by the sink, 42 soft close upper cabinets with crown molding, and all base cabinets have soft close pull-out drawers. The kitchen pantry also has all pull-out drawers, and there is an extra closet pantry in the laundry room, which is already plumbed for a utility sink. There are all new stainless steel appliances, with gas stove and beautiful stainless steel range hood. Custom, tiled backsplash designed to match granite on counters and island. All faucets, lighting fixtures, switches and ceiling fans throughout the home have been replaced, upgraded and designed for your convenience, with dimmers in all the right places. There is all new flooring throughout the home, and the waterproof, luxury wood look vinyl flooring runs through the kitchen, dining and living room areas. The living room focal point is a tongue-and-groove LITE-WASHED feature wall for your wall-mount TV. The master bath has been completely redone from the studs out, creating a peaceful, spa-like atmosphere. There is a glass shower with light quartz walls, new 3-piece sink and cabinet with soft close drawers, new commode and a wall-mounted towel warmer. The guest bath has had a major facelift with a marble countertop, as well as a new commode. Not to be forgotten, is the screened lanai, where you can sit and have your morning coffee or an evening drink overlooking the water and the breathtaking sunsets, with IT's freshly painted floor, new screening and wood ceiling. The home has a new gas water heater, new roof, and also has a Kings Point warranty. What more could you ever want or need? Kings Point, with its 2 beautiful clubhouses, an 850-seat veterans theater, 6 heated pools, 2 hot tubs and elegant SPA, tennis courts, golf course, billiards, pickleball courts, state-of-the-art fitness centers, and dozens of social and sports clubs to keep you entertained. Sun City Center allows access to doctors, hospitals, shopping, banking, restaurants, and virtually anything you'll need or want via golf cart. Centrally located between Sarasota and Tampa, it is the perfect location for a convenient ride to airports, great shopping, dining, professional sports, beaches, and entertainment. Don't be sorry later. Call for your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Pat Wiss at 813-642-1500.